Bougainvillea Resort is located in Alibaug and is just a few kilometers away from Nagaon, Kashid and Kihim Beaches. They offer best, safe and comfortable accommodation. They provide luxurious rooms of 3 types: couple room, family room and group room. We stayed in family room. Bougainvillea promises an exemplary experience with an array of recreational activities. Due to COVID-19, game room and swimming pool were out of operation. We were happy as they followed all COVID-19 precautions as per the government regulations. They sanitized our luggage and automatic hand dispensers were kept at various points throughout the property. The rooms were very comfortable and an extra bed was also available in our room. They offer luxurious rooms with air conditioning, LED TV, Wi-Fi network, telephone, 24 hours hot water availability, restaurant and a private beautiful balcony. The staff and the services were excellent, and we also met Mr. Rohan, the owner of the resort, a friendly and enthusiastic person who made us feel at home during our stay. The food was really delicious, homely, and were of good quality. All modern facilities are incorporated in this well planned hotel, and we were well taken care of. We had a great memorable day while staying there, and we are planning to stay in Bougainvillea Resort while visiting Alibaug next time.